Welcome. If you're looking to allow Pinterest to share your information with partners on your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through each step so you can easily manage your privacy and data settings on Pinterest. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on Settings. This will open up a new page where you can manage all your account preferences. Now that you're in the Settings section, look for the option labeled Privacy and Data. Click on it to access Pinterest's privacy controls. Here, you'll find all the settings related to how your information is used and shared. Scroll down until you see the section called Ads Off Pinterest. This is where you can control whether Pinterest shares your information with their partners to show you ads outside of Pinterest. To allow sharing, make sure the option is checked. This means Pinterest can share some of your information with their advertising partners, which may help personalize your experience across the web. After making your selection, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the bottom or top right of the page, and click it. This ensures your new privacy preferences are updated and applied to your account. And that's it. You've successfully allowed Pinterest to share your information with partners using the latest update on your PC. Managing your privacy settings is a great way to stay in control of your online experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.